Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find large files in WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to search for large files received on WhatsApp which are using your mobile storage, so to do so you need to press on the three dots. Now here you need to press on settings. In settings you need to press on storage and data. In storage and data you need to press on manage storage. Now here it will calculate your storage. Like you can see on my device, WhatsApp is using 2.2 GB. So to find the large file received on WhatsApp, you need to press on larger than 5 MB. Now here it will show all the files which are more than 5 MB, and on the top you will find the heaviest file. Like in my case, the first file is of 52 MB, then second is of 36 MB, and the third one is of 27 MB. So here you can find the large files received on WhatsApp. Now from here you can very easily delete any file. Just select the files you want to delete and press on the delete button. Like this you can delete all the files at once. For that you just need to press on select all, and here it will automatically select all the files, and you simply need to press on the delete button to delete all the files in one go. You can also store these files on some hard drive. So friends, here you will able to find all the large files received on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.